Hello, this is Angramaki based in California. Thank you for watching my video and supporting my channel. I'll introduce how to fish in the Japanese way using popular techniques in Japan and Japanese fishing gear. This video is my fishing talk series, a shorter video than the usual ones. Kinda small talk about my fishing style. In this video, I'd like to talk about how to hold the spinning reel and rod. There will be many styles, but let me show you my style. First of all, the reel should come under the rod. Rod and reel. I know, you guys must say, hey, come on, Wacky, we all know it. Yeah, but sometimes I see people holding spin reel and rod like this. No. This is the basic of the basic. You should hold the spin reel and rod like this. When I make a cast, I'm holding the rod and reel like this. An index finger, a middle finger, a little foot, a ring finger, and a little finger. This is a two-finger grip. An index finger, a middle finger, a little foot, a ring finger, and a little finger. In my opinion, this grip can make the most accurate cast, and also easy to feather a line, like this. This is feathering, using an index finger to control the line leading out from the reel. After the casting, sometimes I switch the grip like this, 2 finger to 3 finger. Sometimes I switch the grip like this, 2 finger to whole finger. Not switching the grip, keeping a 2 finger grip, basically no problem. But with this 3 finger grip, I can stabilize the rod position when reeling the lure. And also easy to make a lifting and forwarding action. With this whole finger grip, I can hold the reel tight and make it easy for me to make a shaking action. When going with a finesse rig, I often grip like this. So, overall, it's up to you how to hold the spinning reel and rod. But make sure the reel should always come under the rod. This is too bad. The spinning reel is not designed for this style. This is the way to go. Thank you for watching! ありがとう Merci! Gracias! Obrigado! See you! Bye bye!